In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay a traffic ticket online in Hillsborough County. To get started, open your browser and go to the Tampa City website at tampa.gov. Once the page loads, take a moment to make sure you're on the official site, since payment pages should always be accessed through a trusted government website whenever possible. After you're on the site, look for the section called Service Tags. This area helps group services by topic, so it's a quick way to find what you need without having to search through the entire website. If the home page feels a little busy, don't worry. Just focus on finding that service tag section and continue from there. When you see the available tags, click on Traffic. This will bring you to a page with services related to traffic and citations. It's important to choose the correct category here so you end up in the right payment section. Next, click on Pay a City Parking Citation Ticket. Even though the wording may mention a parking citation, this is the path shown on the site for reaching the online payment area. Be sure to follow the page labels exactly as they appear, since government websites sometimes organize these services in ways that aren't always obvious at first glance. On the next page, click the button labeled Pay a Parking Citation. This should take you closer to the actual payment portal. As you move through these pages, it's a good idea to read the headings carefully so you can confirm that you're still in the correct payment workflow. Once you arrive at the payment page, look for the Pay Online section. This is where you'll be able to continue with the online payment process for your citation. Before entering any payment information, double-check the details on the page to make sure they match the type of ticket you're trying to pay. One very important thing to keep in mind is that there is a $2.50 convenience fee for paying online. That means the total amount you pay will be slightly higher than the original citation amount. Knowing this ahead of time can help you avoid any surprises at checkout. And that's it. The key is to start at the Tampa website, go to Service Tags, choose Traffic, select the Parking Citation payment option, click the payment button, and continue through the Pay Online section. Take your time, review each page carefully, and make sure all payment details are correct before submitting.